and today we are going to discuss about the lesson The Third Level by Jack Finney. Till yesterday we completed about how Charlie goes to meet a psychiatrist, and that psychiatrist is no one other than his friend Sam. He goes to him and tells him his entire story of how he had gone to the third level at Grand Central Station, and he narrates each and every moment which he has seen. Now, Sam, who is his friend, he does not believe him because he thinks that Charlie was daydreaming, and because of his habit of collection of stamps, he must have been daydreaming. But in reality, he says that it cannot be possible. In the modern world, one cannot go to the olden times. But Charlie still does not believe what his friend Sam tells him. So what he does is, like as Sam feels that modern world is full of insecurity, fear and worries, in the same manner everybody wants to escape from it. That is why Charlie would be daydreaming, and he had in his daydreaming he went to that third level. Then next day, when Charlie after a few days of it, then Charlie again comes back to his habit of collection of stamps. He happens to see one letter, he happens to see one envelope which is called first day cover, which is called first day cover. So it has been called first day cover, as in the previous class we told you first day cover is basically used to be used in olden times when people used to buy very first issue of the stamps. They used to put it on envelope. After that, they used to post it to themselves. By this way, they used to get the stamp from the post office, which confirms the date of issue. So, and they used to keep usually blank paper inside it and used to post it to themselves, which is called first day cover. So when he happens to see the stamp collection, suddenly one letter, one envelope he saw, and on the envelope grandfather's address was written. So when he looks at the that address of grandfather, like another thing which he observes, that the date, which surprises him a lot. It was written July 18, 1894. It was written July 18, 1894. So this date was mentioned there, which surprises Charlie, because Charlie feels that he had been to this year. He had been to 1894, a month ago. So when he went to third level, as you know, when he went to third level, he finds a boy who was selling newspaper. He gets that newspaper from him. It was written The World. It was the outdated newspaper of 18th century, which is not published in present. When he happens to see that the World newspaper, the date was June 11, 1894. It means he matches with his fiction with it, and he confirms that he went to 1894 a month ago. Now, when he looks at that envelope, he shows that he went to third level. So Charlie was confirmed that he went to third level and he went to 18th century. Now, what happens? And suddenly he gets to know that Sam, which is his psychiatrist friend, has disappeared suddenly, and nobody knows where he has gone. When he saw that envelope, he opens it and takes out a letter, which usually used to be blank, but this time it wasn't blank. It was addressed by Sam. This letter was addressed. It was addressed to Charlie. It was addressed to Charlie by his friend Sam. Now when he opens the envelope, as soon as he opens the envelope, he reaches to the past. Now he went into his imagination, right? When he finds that this letter is written by Sam addressed to Charlie. Now the moment two things are happening. At the one place he is looking at stamp collection, on the other hand he suddenly moves into imagination. So this is a fictionary things happening in this lesson. Now he went into imagination where he looks at the letter in which Charlie is addressed in it. Okay. So he comes to know from this letter. We will send you the clip, or you can see that postcard letter in your book, right? So he writes address to Charlie from Sam. Now Charlie gets to know what is the reason behind Sam's disappearance. How he disappeared, he got the reasons. Now let's discuss from in today we will discuss Sam's escape. Now Charlie, with the help of that letter, he understood that where Sam has gone. Now Charlie knows that Sam always wanted to escape. Where does he want to escape from? He wanted to escape from the modern world, which is full of insecurity, fear and worries. So he wants to run away from the modern world's and anxieties, fears and insecurity that Charlie already knows. So Charlie knows that Sam always wants to escape. So what he got to know also, that Sam bought $800 worth old currency. Means whatever the savings Sam had, he exchanged it into $800 worth old currency. So he bought 800 worth old currency from the money he had deposited as his saving. Another thing which Charlie shares here is he hopes that Sam will be happily settled and will start a business. Now the question is, where they have gone, where Sam has disappeared? He has disappeared to Galesburg. He has gone to Galesburg, right? It was the imagination world of Sam as well as the imaginative world of Charlie. Why they want to go? Because this is one of the beautiful towns for them where Charlie has spent his childhood, and as well as he is explaining it, saying that there are huge old buildings, houses are old and they have beautiful big lawns, and it has series of beautiful trees in that city of Galesburg. So Sam is also want to escape from his modern world's worry. He has gone through the third level to Galesburg in 18th century. It means Sam reached to 18th century's Galesburg. Now he was happy. Now Charlie this time doesn't get disappointed. He is happy because he hopes that he will happily settle there, because that is a calm and peaceful place for all the people to live in. So he will be happily and will settle his business of being psychiatrist. He will be well settled there. And Charlie also reveals, at last he reveals that Sam is no one other than his psychiatrist friend. Even in the letter, Sam tells him that one day you will reach to the third level. So keep trying going to the station or going to that subway. You will definitely find the way to the third level. It is said by Sam, which is written that you can bring your wife there also. So this is how he shares about he should keep trying finding the third level, and he will soon reach to Galesburg with his wife. At last Charlie says that Sam is none other than his psychiatrist friend. He did not explain much about Sam, who is his psychiatrist friend. He said he is just a friend, nothing else have been shared about it after that. So this is how we complete our lesson. That lesson has been left without telling what happened to Charlie. So it was finished up by ending about Sam, who has reached to Galesburg, whereas Charlie is still into the modern world, and Sam tells him to keep finding the way to third level, and one day he will definitely go and will reach to the Galesburg. This is how the lesson ends. I hope you like the lesson and you will go, and please do read the lesson carefully. You can underline your doubts and to make probably if you could see, or if